Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for supporting us CRM once. So in this session we will discuss about the what are the changes happened in Microsoft Dynamics CRM in the latest version Microsoft CRM 2016, which is calling as a NEOS. So the first change they have given, one is that setting up the new environment on a trial instance. So once you create a trial instance, so it won't give you the proper privileges. That means previously it was giving this by default you are getting a after the session by default you are getting a system admin privileges. Now they are removed. They change the process. So once you log into the system, once you created a trial instance or once you create a new instance in CRM online or on premise, so we have to give a specifically admin privileges to the user. So we have created a new trial instance. So here once you navigate to the here, so once you have created an instance, by default you won't get any other privileges like a previously how we are getting a sales, service, marketing. So you won't get it now because you are now which are the user you have registered by default. So that user it is not a system admin by default whenever log into the system. So to provide a admin privileges to that user, we have to go to the settings and we have to click on a security. In that security we have to go to the users. So once it will load that users, you can select that user and we can click on a promote admin. So once you click on a promote admin, it will takes that you are issued to the selected user as a promote administrator. So once you click on OK, so selected user will get these admin privileges on this instance. So now see here, we didn't have any privileges. So we promoted this user as an admin. So now after refreshing this my instance, I can with this user I'm able to see whatever the new features they introduce in a CRM. So here now this user, which of the user is here, so that user will be a administrator in this system. So now in this NEOS version, that means CRM 2016 Service Pack 1 Update 1. So they have introduced the new modules is called the field service and project service. So these two things now in the recent releases we are getting that by default. So apart from that, there is a lot of features they are giving. So that features we have to install specifically in our mission. So in our instance, okay. So how we can install those things, we'll see it now. So that is how we can provide this accessing a system admin privileges we can assign to the user, assigning a system admin privileges to the users. So next topic we'll discuss how we can install the new features like a voice of customer and fantasy sales. There are a lot of features they have provided in this version. So these features we have to install these features we have to install the managed solution on our instance. So how we can do that installation, let me explain here. for installing the new features in our organization, we have to log into the Office 365 account by using a portal.office.com. So once you log into the here, we can go to the navigation and we can go to the admin. So here we can select this admin. Once you click on admin option, it will navigate to the admin page. So in this admin, once you log into the here, we can go to the old admin page and you can find in the left hand side. So there will be under admin section. So here under admin, last option is admin. Under admin we can find the CRM. So here once you can go to the CRM. So this is a under this Office 365, whatever the instances, whatever the CRM organizations you have, it will list down here in our environment. So there we have a solutions. So here we can click on this solutions. We can, once you click on this solutions, here this icon, it will list down the whatever the new features they have given. So here we can see company news timelines. This is a new feature they have given. If you want this feature, we can install it. Okay. So like a fantasy sales also is a one of the new feature they have given. It's a kind of a gaming. How your sales people are performing in a fantasy mode. How the sales are coming. How they are reaching the targets. We can see in a fantasy games, that sales report. So next one, insights for the dynamic CRM. Okay, so we can see here Office 365 groups. This is a new features they have given, so we can install this solution. And next, of voice of customer, they have a new feature here. This solution we can able to install it. So let me install one solution. Here I have selected a voice of customer, and you can go here, install this solution. Once you click on install, it will ask the license things, and once you can click on install, it will be installed. So here it's in a installation is in a progress. It will take a few minutes to complete that installation. So this once it is installed, we can go to the CRM and we can find it. And other things here in this administration Office 365 CRM online administration page, we can go back to here, and here we can edit your organization details. Here we can click on edit and we can change your organization name. Okay, so and here we can change here your purpose, and either it's a instance type, it's a sandbox or a production instance type, we can change it. And security group, so we can change it. So once you can click on a next, we can see here we can change whatever we have changed, we can see it. And let's see my CRM. So currently my instance URL is a CRM 113. So here I can able to change my, let's say I don't need this CRM 113. So I need only CRM once. So I can, as a Office 365 admin, I can go to the here in my admin page. I can update this URL. Here I can update it, CRM once. I can click on a next. Once it is click on a save, so my URL, it will be get changed. Okay, so now it is changed. So let's see here, if I access this one, it will give, so it is there. And if I give a CRM once, even that also it will accept it. So now you can see my instance URL, it's got changed to crm1.crm.dynamics.com. Okay, so this is a way we can change this Office 365 CRM online. So your organization URL, if you want to change it, we can change here your organization display name and organization URL name and instance type. It's a sandbox or a production, we can change it here, and security group we can change it here. These details we can change it. And previously we have installed that new feature solution is a voice of customer. So now we can see here, I think still it is in progress. So we can see, we can go back and we can see solutions. Still it is installing. See, now it is installed here. So this is installed. So now we can go to the here CRM instance and refresh the organization. Once you refresh this URL, you can able to see new feature is called voice of customer. So this is installed in our organization. Similarly, wherever you want it, the new features like this all the five to six new features, if you want, we can able to install on our instance. So thanks for watching this video. So it is very, I hope it is helpful for the who are the people want to learn the new things on a trial instance, especially for the new features they want to learn it. So it is very helpful for them. Thanks very much. Thanks for supporting this CRM once.